I hope you're doing fine. This is Sanket here and welcome back to another beautiful video. And today I'm in Hungary, Budapest city, and we are going to explore this beautiful city. So let's see what Budapest has to offer. So our today's first stop is at Fisherman Bastion. You can look here. It's a beautiful Disney type structure, and from this structure you can get a beautiful view of Budapest city. Just look. Currently we are going to visit one of the major squares in Budapest. It's Hero Square, which is famous for different types of monuments and statues of national heroes of Hungary. So let's see how it is. So finally we are at Hero Square, and look around me. That side there is one museum. So here you can find several types of statues of national heroes of Hungary. And this one is a kind of memorial for them. So it's a nice place actually.
After that, we went to Central Market Mall of Budapest. It's an old building where you can find authentic local stuff from Budapest. You can buy souvenirs and also taste some local street food. I'll suggest you to try langos. It's one of the delicious dishes from Budapest. So after eating, we headed to our next destination.
So next stop is Buda Castle, which is a historical building in Budapest, and it's a palace for the kings in Hungary, which was built in 13th century. So today we are going to visit this historical place. Now entry to the castle premises is free of cost, so you can come inside and enjoy the beautiful view of the river and all the buildings like Parliament, then the Central Cathedral and also the Chain Gate. Now let's go inside the castle and see how it is. Now inside the castle you can also find a restaurant where you can eat something. So now currently I'm in front of Hungarian Parliament building. You can see behind me, and it's located at a beautiful place. Just look here. Here is the river flowing, and here is the Parliament building. It's a great place to hang out. You can also take walk on this riverside road. It's a beautiful view. On the left hand side it's the Parliament building, and also you can see so many things from here. Like that side there is Buda Castle, then there is Fisherman Bastion, and the amazing views. And also that side there is a chain bridge which connects the Buda city and Pest city. Is taking hyperlapse, being creative of this beautiful building.
While walking in front of Parliament building, you can also see this iron shoes on the bank of river. It's a memorial and monument to the Hungarian Jews who were shot down at the bank of river during World War II. Later on, in 2014, famous film director Jan Toge made this monument for them. So after spending some beautiful time at Danube River, we headed to do cruise ride.
So this place really has a different vibe. Hello. Thank you.
Still remember, we were on the boat, and as the evening set in, all the Budapest bridges and the landmarks, they started glowing like a star, and it was the best experience in my life. So after some time, I kept my camera in my bag and enjoyed those views for 1 hour. And this was the best moment from my Budapest trip. So that's all from Budapest. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, smash that like button and also subscribe our channel for more content. Till then, take care and bye-bye.